No, please don't say that it was me.
No, because he thinks it's me now. No, he's like, I don't know. Then we I'm not gonna say it was you. I'm just gonna say it wasn't me.
It wasn't me. Then he'll be like, who bus it?
I'm gonna say I'm not telling you. Okay?
I'm bald.
I'm gonna say outside.
Vanilla.